Welcome to a day of high-speed fun, creativity, and smiles. It's the Tamiya Mini 4-wheel drive Kiddie workshop and race at Speedzone. First up, the workshop. Young racers get hands-on with their own mini 4-wheel drive kits, learning to build, customize, and get race ready. And then, it was race time. The track came alive with thrilling action as our racers took on the challenge. But the fun didn't stop at the racetrack. We had classic parlor games that brought out big energy and even bigger laughs. After all the excitement, everyone got to refuel with free pizza for all. We end the event with a celebration of champions, racers, and gamers alike. Congrats to our winners. Thank you for everyone who joined us. As always, take care, have fun, keep on racing.